Hey there friends, Nibs again. Out here at the range today, doing a little bit of goofing around, doing a little bit of plinking. And it is absolutely beautiful day in upstate New York here. I really wanted to get out, and it's still in the morning, late morning, but I just wanted to get out before it got too hot. It's supposed to be hot again today, but right now it is still a very, very nice day, very cool. And got a little bit of wind swirling around here, so it's going to present a little bit of a challenge. Not too bad though, but I wanted to try another attempt or continue on with the series. I guess I would be a better way to say it. The series that I've been working on, bringing out some of the really cool target guns from back in the day, I guess you could say, that I have in my collection, and shooting them with open sights or iron sights or peep sights, however you want to say it, aperture sights, unmagnified sights. Let's just keep it that way. This was something that kind of spurred to mind from Mike over at the Long Rifle channel. He originally proposed that we shoot this 50 yards shooting from a prone position unrested, and I did do a couple of attempts at that, several attempts at that, and did pretty well at it. But for now we're going to keep shooting it off the bench rest and just see how the rifles will do, and kind of take me out of the equation as much as possible. But this is the target we're using. This is really pretty optimal for shooting with open sights at this type of a distance. And what we're going to be shooting with today is one of my nicest old Mossbergs that I have. Definitely in my top 5 of my Mossberg collection, and it's pretty special. So this one is a model 43S, and as you can see, this one has the metal trigger guard, so that means it was pre-World War II, right around World War II breaking out, at least the United States joining in, is when Mossberg actually came out with that plastic trigger guard. And I'm not throwing any stones at that. They built many very nice 22s over the years with that trigger guard, but I have a special place in my heart, I guess you could say, of these ones with this metal trigger guard here. And let me give you a little flyby with it, and we'll talk a little bit more about it. So it has a really nice dark walnut stock. This one actually comes from the factory with Lyman sights on it. I don't know if I remember the model number on this particular Lyman sight, but it does come with Lyman sights. And I'll show you this peep in a second. That's a little special, but it has a Lyman 17A globe up front. Pretty heavy profile on the barrel. Pretty stout for a gun from this day and age. It has a really nice trigger, very nice trigger. And but let's talk about this. So this was an option you could buy from the factory. So this is a Mossberg specific part. This is a model 4A aperture that normally would come with the number 4 aperture sight. And what you would do, and I've already got it set, so I'm not going to mess with it, but you would spin this back outer ring, and it has 4 different size peeps that you can, or apertures that you can peep through it on this thing. And so depending on, you know, how big your target is downrange, or how quick a target acquisition you need, you might need a bigger or smaller aperture. So you could choose between 4 different apertures on this guy. I actually have it set on the smallest aperture, which is actually working out very perfect for these size targets here. So we should see some pretty precise shooting. I am shooting it with this Geco Rifle. I'm running really low on this Geco Rifle. I'm really kind of bumming. I'm just about out. I bought a case of this Geco Rifle several years ago when it was still pretty prevalent, and now I wished I had bought two, because it's really, really good shooting ammo. It's not, you know, it's not Elay 10X precise, but it is fantastic shooting ammo. And supposedly Norma TAC 22 is supposed to be like kind of like the replacement for the Geco, the Norma brand. All appearances is the Norma brand basically replaced the Geco in the United States. So they got Norma Match and Norma TAC 22, which a lot of people have said are equivalent of this 22 or Geco rifle. But I've shot some and it's very, very close. I'm not sure that it's an exact match, but it's very, very close. It has the same head stamp as the Geco and the RWS, so let's go ahead and get started. Shoot at the left-hand target first. So just a tiny bit low. So this, I have the Lee Shaver insert in the front of this. Very, very nice inserts for, he's got them from, I think the 17A is the smallest that he has, going all the way up to the big 20 millimeter Anschutz biathlon and Redfield biathlon globes. Better, but that ring up front is exactly the right size for this orange dot. That is perfect. I couldn't have planned that better if I tried. Oop, back out in the 8. I think that's another 10. So really, really nice shooting gun. Very, very nice trigger. If I had to guess, it's right around 2 pounds. Very, very crisp though. All right, another 9. All right. It's a pretty good looking showing so far. I can blame all those 8s on the wind. Just joking. It is pretty calm right at the moment. All right, another 9. Another 10. Oop, another 8. I don't know, another 9 maybe, or I don't know. Definitely have to review the downrange footage to figure out what hit where. I think this is the last one for this target. Oh man, that's a 7. Ooh, what happened there? All right, that's still not too bad. Let's get another 10 out here, and we'll shoot the other target. Pretty good showing there, I think. So let's see, this one, these were made in 38 or 39, 38 and 39 from what I've been able to find out. So what would that mean? That'd be 86 years old, probably. Not bad. I absolutely love this kind of shooting. Just this slow and take your time, be precise. Try to read the wind a little bit. I do have a orange flag over there. I can see the when the wind swirls up, and try to compensate a little bit. There's another 10. There's another 10. So I did bring out my Walther LGR and do kind of a similar shooting arrangement like this, but I was only shooting 25 yards. 50 yards is way too long for that gun. It's just not powerful enough to fling a bullet out that far. But I actually shot the Captain America challenge, the Day at the Range Captain America challenge, using my Walther LGR single stroke pneumatic pellet gun. And I did pretty good. I mean, I'm sure with a scope I could have done much better, but I shot a 50 out of 100. So, and with open sights, I don't think that is at all terrible. All right, I think that one was a 9. Another 10. Oop, another 8. I believe that was another 10. That's definitely another 10. All right, that's it. Let me go grab those targets. We'll add those up and see what I did. I think that that's a pretty darn good showing on that second target for sure. I don't think I did bad on either one of them, but that second target's phenomenal. So stand by. Alrighty, I am back. Wow, that was actually very, very good shooting. And the first one wasn't bad. It was like my second best target or third best target ever shooting with bench rest like this with open sights. But the second one was flat out my best sight so far with any of these guns shooting in this kind of arrangement. So the first one, I'll put a picture of the target up here. Had 1.7, that kind of hurt. If I had gotten that one in a little bit tighter, this one would have been a fantastic shooting as well, but nothing to complain about. I ended up with a really nice 89 with that one. So that was pretty fantastic, but that second one, just 10 after 10 after 10, just a few 8s. Actually, let's see, that one there, probably could have scored that one as a 9. It did crack the 9 ring, but I counted it as an 8. Just, but let's see, it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 10s out of 10 shots. So that's pretty phenomenal. Had a 9 and 3 8s, and that 1 8 definitely could have scored as a 9. I'll keep it an 8. But I scored a really, really nice 93. Some of the other guns are going to have to step it up if they're going to outshoot this old timer. But 86 years old and still shooting 93 out of 100 at 50 yards. I'll take that all day. So anyway, if you guys want to try this target out, send me an email. My email address is down in the description. I can email it to you. Check out Long Rifle channel. Mike's a great guy, keeps us on our toes. He just came out with the positional Punisher challenge. I have tried that once, and I'll probably try it a few more times. Today I just wasn't feeling it, so I decided to do some bench rest shooting. So hope you guys liked the video. Till next time, have a great day.